Hi, I'm Ashley McGuire, student ID number 3369404, spring semester 2019. To cut a dog's nails, you'll need a pair of nail clippers and quick stop, something to stop the bleeding. So on a dog's nails, they have a quick, which is on dogs with clear nails, it's this pink area. It is a blood vessel and nerves that feed the nail. And when you cut into that, it causes pain and it causes them to bleed. So you use a styptic powder to stop the bleeding. I'm going to cut her nails. I'm going to cut a little bit off at a time. Not getting too close to the quick. And the nails are cut. If I did happen to quick the nail, then I would use the styptic powder. I'd take a pinch of it in my fingers and I would press the nail into the styptic powder. You'll need a pair of nail clippers and some quick stop. The quick stop is to stop the bleeding if you were to hit the quick. And the quick is a bundle of blood vessels that feed the cat's nails. It also has nerves in it. And when you cut into the quick, it'll bleed and it'll cause aversion if it's cut into enough, which will cause the cat to misbehave, become aggressive. They associate it with pain and it becomes a negative experience for everyone. So, cutting a cat's nails, you want to push the claw out, and you do that by gently squeezing on the toe pad. And this allows you to visualize the quick, which is that pink area. When you cut a cat's nails, you'll just want to take off the hooks, primarily. All those nails are cut. Now if I did happen to cut the quick and cause them to bleed, I'd get my quick stop and I would get a pinch of it in my fingers, and the nail that's bleeding, I would push into the powder. And that's how you cut a cat's nails. So to pill your dog, you need your pill and a dog. I have gabapentin. She's been prescribed this for pain. So you pill your dog when they won't take it in anything else. Sometimes you can put it in meat or cheese or wet food. Some of them get smart to it and they'll eat everything but the pill. So to start, you're going to need to open his mouth, and you'll do this by putting your hand, whichever hand's not your dominant hand, around their muzzle, and so that your fingers are on either side behind their canines. And your pill will be in your dominant hand, and then you'll use one of your free fingers to push on the bottom teeth to open the mouth. All right. And then you want to get the pill as far back as possible and close the mouth. And then you massage their throat until they swallow. Usually a good indication that they've swallowed is when they lick their lips. You can also blow in their nose to get them to swallow. I think she's just being stubborn. Here she goes. And that's how you pill your dog. So to pill your cat, you'll need your pill and your cat. And pilling a cat is necessary when your cat won't take the pill by any other means. Some cats will eat them in wet food or in a small treat are in tuna juice or broth. Others become smart to your trickery of hiding it and eat everything but the pill. So in order to pill a cat, you'll need to stabilize its head. You'll do this by grasping the head from above and your fingers on either side of its upper jaw. You'll hold the pill in your dominant hand between your index finger and thumb. And then when you're grasping the head, you'll lift up their nose slightly so the mouth opens. And then with a free finger on your pilling hand, you'll open the mouth by applying pressure to the bottom lip and the lower teeth. And then you'll want to get the pill as far back as possible. And then you'll close their mouth shut to prevent them from spitting it out. You'll massage the throat or blow in their nose to get them to swallow. I know he swallowed because he licked his lips. And that's usually a good indication that they swallowed. And that's how you pill your cat. So to collect your dog's urine, you'll need your dog and a clean, dry container to collect it in. The ideal urine sample is a midstream catch, and that is when we collect the urine after he's already started urinating. This is important for more accurate urinalysis results because the urine that comes out first is going to flush out any bacteria that's sitting in the lower urinary tract, in the prepuce, or in the fur. So to collect your dog's urine, you gotta encourage him to urinate. Uncle Putty. So he started urinating, so I'm going to catch the urine now. You don't need much. And that's how you collect urine. So I'm going to show you how to apply a gauze muzzle for your dog. You'll need your dog and a roll of gauze. You can use 1 or 2 inch. Because I have a larger dog, I'm going to use a 2 inch. A muzzle is necessary sometimes to keep everyone safe. It prevents them from making a bad choice, and it keeps us from getting bit. To apply a gauze muzzle, unroll your gauze, and then you'll just cross the ends, make a loop. Here, Walker. Come here. You sit. You just make a loop. You're going to put that loop around his muzzle. Come here. Sit. Come here. Sit. Good boy. So they cross on top. Then I'm going to go below his chin. And I'm going to cross them underneath his muzzle. And then I'm going to bring them back and tie it into a quick release knot behind his ears. So now he's muzzled. I can get 2 fingers in there, which is enough to make sure that we don't get bit and he can breathe. And then to take the muzzle off, you just pull the bow and it comes right off.